Hi, my name is Karan. I am a faculty at the School of Environmental Design and Architecture, SEDA. This semester, I proposed a Khoj course called Mapping Mental Health Geographies in Vadodara. It was in collaboration with my co-faculty.
Anjali. I am from a School of Liberal Studies and Education.
The course was a first of its kind collaboration between these two streams, and it focused on some very distinct things. So for instance, it focused on how people who live in low-lying areas and who experience flooding, what does it do to their mental health? What kind of post-traumatic symptoms do they experience because of these recurrent episodes of flooding? We also looked into how the kind of houses they live in. So for instance, informal settlements or low-rise independent houses or high-rise apartments, how the kind of houses they live in influence their reaction to these recurring episodes of flooding. So for instance, it is very much possible that somebody who lives in an informal settlement experiences his or her belongings washed away every 5 years, whereas somebody who lives on the higher floors of a high-rise in the same low-lying areas might witness the devastation caused by flooding, but they might not first-hand experience loss themselves. So in a way, this is a first of its kind study that focuses on this interrelationship between the built environment, flooding and psychology, especially in the context of Baroda and in the context of our river here and the kind of problems that we have been facing as a city over the past many decades.
The experiences with students from data science, they are from science backgrounds, but they have come together and tried to understand mental health in terms of how post-traumatic stress symptoms are highlighted during the flood times as well as after the flood times as well. So they had actually gathered the data through different standardized tools, and they also came to understand that there are various types of anxiety situations where they could realize how people would have experienced floods and in the time when they were in the water level were rising. The results also focused more on showing up resilience more in terms of people living in informal settlements as well as low-rise apartments.